Hello, Andrew here. Did you know today's National Week of Deaf People daily theme is Deaf Rights in Crises? Of course, communication is always important. But unfortunately, Auslan access is not always a given. We've certainly seen improvements in access over recent times. Having interpreters on TV and in media is great to have. But it's vital that deaf people have access to information in sign language during emergencies. This does not mean access to information in English, rather emergency updates and information translated into Auslan. You may recall we held our Get Ready workshops in Townsville in far North Queensland due to the cyclone activity. This was to help increase the deaf community's readiness for and recovery from disasters. The Get Ready workshops were vital in providing advice and information to the deaf community on how to prepare for an upcoming emergency or disaster. Services and organisations must ensure that deaf people have access to information in sign language during emergencies. I hope to see more organisations and individuals working together to provide access to the deaf community. It's such an important topic. Thank you for watching.